world crowded with ideas and beliefs, one word rises above them all, carrying a meaning far deeper than it appears. The word Islam. The scene begins. The sound of wind sweeping across a quiet desert, fading gently into the hum of modern cities. The narrator's voice softens, then rises, as if discovering the truth for the very first time. Is it just a religion? Or is there a story behind this name, far greater than we imagine? In the Arabic language, Islam means peace, but its truest meaning is surrender to truth. It is not submission, but liberation. A liberation from inner chaos, from fear, from being lost. This is where Islam begins, not in words recited, but in values lived. Prayer, honesty, justice, compassion. They are not isolated rituals. They are keys. Keys that open doors to a more balanced life. When a person chooses honesty, that is Islam. When he forgives, that is Islam. When he reaches out to others, that is Islam. For more than 1,000 years, Islam did not come to restrict humanity, but to guide it back to itself. To say, you are capable of living with an inner peace that reflects upon the world around you. Islam is not only what you practice. Islam is what you become. The music fades. A final